WR250R Supermoto'd out. Alright, well, it's always good to have an extra pair of gloves. I two-plied my gloves. Canyon's a bit dark, but hopefully this will work. There we go. This biker jacket I'm wearing is actually pretty good. I got it from Amazon. Got the two-ply gloves on. Had an extra set in my backpack, so glad I brought it. Yeah, you know, I can feel the additional power of the Athena Big Bore kit going uphill on those twisties. I don't know if you see that on the camera, but that twisty was going uphill, and I do feel the benefit of the Athena Big Bore kit with the additional power compared to the 250R stock. Both of my WR250Rs are uncorked. This one's got the Athena Big Bore kit, and I'm taking twisties on the uphill right now, and I definitely appreciate it better on this bike. Gotta watch out for these bikers. Oh man, that was sweet. Whoa! Actually put the foot down there. But I didn't. I put the foot down because I was used to riding dirt, and that's what you do, I guess. But it wasn't like I felt like I lost control or anything. But I probably should slow down a bit. Having too much fun. Alright, here's an uphill with some twisties. I mean, come on, it's not a Husqvarna 701, but I am having fun. That'd be kind of cool to check out a Husky 701 or a KTM 690 SMR. I guess I'll build up to that one day, but right now there's WR250R. You can't beat it, man. You know, I did consider getting, I guess I go through cycles. These enduro plated, you know, these enduro style dual sports like the KTMs, the Huskies, the Betas. I mean, those are nice for real. You know, more often than not, I dream about having one of those. Just imagining the torque, the power, the nimbleness on those. But what keeps drawing me back are two things: the price and the maintenance. I mean, those things are sexy, but you know, and I'm okay budget-wise, but dumping like 10, 12 grand on a bike is at one time just to get started, because they're going to want to do stuff to it. I don't know, man. I'd rather get a car, or I'd rather get, you know, fix the house or something right now. Also, you know, I'm not afraid to tinker, you know, with my bike especially too, but I just think this stage of my life, I'd rather just be riding than, you know, being in the garage, changing the top end or checking the valves and shit. I like doing, you know, I don't mind doing maintenance stuff on my WR250R when it needs it. That's a benefit of this this thing, is unlike the KTMs or the Huskies or the Betas, the maintenance intervals are definitely a lot longer, which gives me more time to enjoy the ride. So I'm pretty happy right now with two WR250Rs with bold new graphics. Look at this twisty. Where the fuck? Golly, that was fun. That's the thing about the WR250R. It is a bit underpowered, but it's not pretending to be a 400 or 450, even a 690, 701, 650. WR250R. I mean, for my riding style right now, I don't think, I think it's an ideal fit. I'm not a career motorcycle rider. You know, a lot of those dudes that are rippers and, you know, have the 450s on dirt, they've been riding since they were kids, and big ups to them, man. I wish I was in their, you know, had their background, or even some of the guys that are, you know, supermotoing for a long time. That's just not me. But I mean, I'm having fun on my WR. It's a 250 with a big bore kit on it. It's not pretending to be something it's not, and I'm not going to pretend to be something I'm not. But you know, I'm probably having a man, I'm at 6 right now. Oh, okay, 43, and it says I'm doing 58. Whatever. I'm so glad I put these Supermoto wheels on my Legacy WR. It just feels natural. Sweet. Put through the turn. Okay, so 3 more things I need to get. 3 more things I want to do on this bike is get the speedo healer, change out the clutch, and also get a luggage rack. So for now, I think I gotta keep my WR250R duet. Man, that's my WR250R. She looks sweet as hell.